CTSS, Calibrated Trading Strategies and Services. At CTSS, we aspire and achieve excellence in XAUUSD trading. The CTSS Gold Blogs. FOREX Cryptocurrency and XAUUSD Trading. By Renato Manahan, lead trader and trainer of the Calibrated Trading Strategies and Services. Published on February 4, 2021. Over the last 2 decades, FOREX trading had been on a steady decline with the diminishing numbers of FOREX traders and investors. This despite the active marketing efforts of brokers and CFDs offers all the way down the retail investors. Accepting as low as $100 trading investments. Most FOREX traders move to XAUUSD, where chances of achieving a decent trading profit is higher than the 20% chance of achieving a trading profit in FOREX trading investments. This fact is usually acknowledged in the disclaimers of most brokers and CFDs. The biggest problem of FOREX traders is how to understand the FOREX market movements, both intraday and on the longer term. This is because there is not much information to gather and analyze to determine the real value of FOREX pairs. As most currency values are pegged on the value of the gold and US dollar reserves of the issuing countries, which is not normally published regularly for FOREX traders to monitor. FOREX traders had not other option except to rely on the mathematical calculations of the probabilities of the movements of their candlestick trading charts, which does not show them much, except what has just happened, and which they already know. Other FOREX traders ventured further away from reality with their own interpretations of the lines, angles and shapes of their candlestick trading charts, like the head and shoulder shape that reminds me more of an anti-dandruff shampoo brand than anything else. Waves, price actions, bots, algos, and expert advisors flourished in the FOREX trading community, which did not help FOREX traders more than it helps the investors of brokerage companies and those who offer CFDs. With the continued decline in FOREX trading came the birth of the cryptocurrency trading, intended to catch the fallout from FOREX trading with virtual values of their cryptocurrencies vis-a-vis the London gold price benchmarks. However, just like FOREX pairs, the value of these cryptocurrencies is simply based on the law of supply and demand and the hype being generated, not necessarily the real price of gold. While on the other hand, XAUUSD trading is the easiest instrument to trade, but not a lot of brokers and CFDs aggressively market XAUUSD trading. Gold is the only market with a built-in price correction mechanism, with the morning and afternoon fixing prices set by the London Bullion Market Association (LBMA) every trading day at 10:30 a.m. and 3 p.m. London time GMT. No FOREX pair has anything close to this price correction mechanism of the gold market. Initially, only gold in good delivery bars, 12 kg 999.9% fine gold bars, were recognized as backup of FOREX currency values. Over the years, with the solid gold support of the US dollar in Fort Knox, the US dollar became an acceptable support of FOREX currency values. Each US dollar is generally accepted worldwide to have its value in gold. Hence, central banks support the value of their currencies with the value of the gold and US dollar reserves in their central banks. Having been swallowed by the FOREX trading system, most FOREX traders have ignored the investment options in XAUUSD for lack of knowledge on the fundamentals of the world gold market. Generally, though, most people in the financial industry are aware of the inverse relationship between the price of gold and the value of the US dollar index. meaning, when the value of gold rises, the value of the US dollar drops and vice versa. That is as far as most forex traders know, and they never ventured to drill down on this general information that presents trading opportunities in XAUUSD. A comparative chart of the US dollar index versus the local London gold price chart show the inverse relationship between the US dollar index and the price of gold. Unlike trading XAUUSD, forex traders cannot determine any direct relationship between the values of their forex pairs like this inverse relationship between the price of gold and the value of the US dollar index. It does not necessarily follow that when the Japanese yen drops, the US dollar index will rise when trading Japanese yen versus the US dollar, and so on and so forth. The men behind the Calibrated Trading Strategies and Services (CTSS) started as introducing brokers for Marigold International Bullion Dealers (MIBD) in Hong Kong. Member number 23 in the Chinese Gold and Silver Exchange (CGSE) in Hong Kong. The oldest gold exchange in the world, older than the London Metal Exchange and the Zurich Gold Pool. In November 2012, MIBD set up the brokerage operations in Melbourne, Australia, and conducted a series of marketing efforts to present investment options in XAUUSD. Professional Diligence Australia (PDA) is the accredited introducing broker of MIBD Hong Kong in Australia. During these marketing furloughs, the most common question asked by prospective investors is, what if we lose our trading investment? For which the PDA brokers were not ready with an answer that will be acceptable to most conservative investors who invest in real estate properties and bank deposits. We realized after this experience that to market XAUUSD, one must offer a reliable trading strategy to prospective investors. Thus, the journey began in the year after the 2012 launch to develop an effective trading strategy in XAUUSD. By the year 2015, the men behind CTSS, particularly the author, secured his ASIC RG 146 accreditation with Monarch Institute in Melbourne, Australia, and began trading for select friends and colleagues. The CTSS XAUUSD Calibrated Trading Strategy considers all the factors that affect the intraday local London gold price quotes, from the LBMA price fixing, the Zurich Gold Pool auction, as well as the economic calendar events impacting on the value of the US dollar. All major gold markets from Australia, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Shanghai, Zurich, London, New York and Denver were observed as it behaves immediately after its market opening and closing, as well as the shifting US dollar market sentiments as these major markets open and close. The intraday local London gold price trendline is plotted on the basis of what CTSS determines as the real price of gold at any point in time during the trading day. Basically, to determine the real price of gold, CTSS believes that as far as the price of gold is concerned, London is the king with its London fixing prices, but the Zurich Gold Pool auction price is the god. By the year 2020, CTSS XAUUSD had begun achieving perfect trading performances with not a single dollar trading loss using the CTSS XAUUSD Calibrated Trading Strategy. Hence, our catchline: we aspire and achieve excellence in XAUUSD trading. Dovetailed with the funded trader programs of proprietary companies seeking funded traders to trade their equities, CTSS has begun training aspiring funded traders in the CTSS XAUUSD Calibrated Trading Strategy. Visit www.dotctss.webs.com for further information.